So guys, welcome to Cairo. We have just got here and we're basically in the middle of a little like sandstorm kind of storm. If you have a look behind me and in front of me, it's really smoggy and windy, and there's just like, it's crazy. Like I can't even like keep my eyes open for that long because there's so much dirt and dust everywhere. But I don't think it's quite this bad normally, but it is known as quite a dirty kind of like mega city. But yeah, we're going to be exploring Cairo today and just having a look at what we find. We're heading to an island right now, which is, I think it's about a 20-minute walk, which is supposed to be in the middle of Cairo, and maybe some good views over the Nile. So let's head in that direction, see what we see.
My version of the castle is not like this.
Crossing the road here in Cairo. Oh, we're gonna make it. Sorry. Right, I think we gotta go. Whoa! Right, we made it. We've made it. Max has made it too. Absolute chaos. There was no traffic lights there, so we just had to go for it. If you look up ahead, and you can just see how much sand and dust is in the air. Look at the sun. Can you see? The sun is like, looks like the moon. That's how like smog and dust is in the air. So we have just reached the River Nile, but you can't even really see it because it's so, oh, sand in my eye. So dusty and sandy. There it is. Right, we'll head up these steps and cross the Nile onto this island over here. You can hardly see down. It's so smoggy. So much traffic in this city as well. Love a bit of chaos sometimes. Looks like they're building something new there as well. New walkway along the Nile maybe. Here we are walking over the River Nile, but it is so, you can't see anything, look. Where's the sun gone? I think the sun's gone. There's actually a little bit of kind of blue up there, but apart from that, it's crazy. It might be an epic sunset actually later, and we'll have to see. There is the Cairo Tower, that little Cairo Tower there. We wanted to head up, but there's no point going up at the moment because it is so smoggy, you wouldn't be able to see anything. We just jumped in a taxi, but it's so dusty and windy that we decided that we're not going to walk around anymore. Like literally my eyes are like hurting from all the dust and stuff. We're going to go get back to where our hostel is, which is in the downtown region, and we're going to get some food. So here we go. So yesterday we actually got a 14-hour bus journey from Luxor to Cairo, and basically the last couple of days we've had food poisoning, and so we've not been feeling great. So unfortunately right now we're heading to the Golden Arches. We're heading to McDonald's because we don't want to eat anything but like food which we know is not going to upset our stomachs because it's still a little bit dodgy. So here we go, Golden Arches. So I really do apologise. We are at McDonald's, but we didn't really have a choice. We just didn't want to eat any food which might react even the slightest, because I mean we've still got pretty bad tummies, but normally I love eating the local food. But this is our the very small balcony we've got here, and our room's in there. We've got a view. This is like downtown Cairo. The traffic is actually crazy here. We've seen motorbikes weaving in and out. Crossing the road is mad, as you saw earlier. If you want to see our room, this cost us £15 a night. Yeah, so we've got, sorry, it is very messy, but we've got 2 single beds, and then we've got a shared bathroom in the Australian hostel. So if you're interested, you can stay here. Right guys, so it's a new day and the sun is out. There's no dust in the sky. It is a much cleaner and just feels great really. We are heading to one of the mosques here in Cairo and heading to the old Cairo today, so excited for that. We're going to show you around and just see what we see really. So we're going to jump in an Uber and we're going to head there. Here we are then. We've got good old mosque behind us. I'm not sure which one this is, but it looked really nice on Google, and the guy at the hostel recommended it to us. There you are. As it's Friday, we're not sure if we can actually go inside, but we'll try and see if we can. Friday's like the holy day here, so we'll have to see. So right now we're in like Islamic Cairo. Like, it's so old here, and basically everyone's like praying because it's the prayer hour. But yeah, it's so cool. People from all over the world apparently come here from Malaysia to study at the second oldest university in the world. The first oldest is in Fez, in Morocco, where I was earlier this year. Unfortunately, the mosque wouldn't finish the prayer because it's Friday until 4 PM, so we weren't able, well, we did go in very briefly just to see it, but we weren't allowed to take any pictures or photos, obviously, because it's probably a bit disrespectful. But now we're going to head back, and then we're probably going to get some food and then head into like the bazaars and the markets closer to where our hostel is. Look at the size of that, it's dripping.
Stand next to it, I'll hold the GoPro.
Yeah. My head.
Look at that, it's huge. It's so much wider than you as well.
Yeah. Oh, beef, chicken. Beef, chicken. There's beef. Oh, we got the chicken shawarma. This is the place. There was loads of people queuing, as you might have seen. Honest review on this chicken shawarma. I don't think it's the best, but for me, it's a bit too. It just feels like chicken and mayo and a bit of a crap. Like,
yeah, there needs
there's
to be
not
more
much
flavour.
There needs more flavour. I don't know. So after that shawarma, we are now suddenly in this market, and there's people selling stuff everywhere. Literally everywhere. Loads of stuff, loads of people. It's like a random pop-up market. As it's Friday, there's people everywhere, and it's a bit chaotic. Whoa! Looks like you can buy anything, literally anything around here. Maybe go for some shopping or something. Oh, I can get their dust off. There's people everywhere. Must be the bus station. This is what you call chaos, isn't it? Hello! ادي لاخويا الصورة. ادي لاخويا الصورة. So that was interesting. So I was just taking my camera. He had orange juice all over his hands. Oh! It's quite hard to vlog when there's so much going on. Basically, this guy with like orange juice hands just like took the camera and was like, well, I made sure I still had it, but it's just trying to show everyone. I think he just wanted to have a look. He was quite interested. Okay, so I know this video has just come to a complete halt, and that is literally the last bit of Egypt that I filmed. But we got on a flight the next day because this Omicron variant was just getting out of control. More countries go on the red list, which means we'd have to pay £2,000 to stay in a hotel quarantine. So we were like really nervous that that might happen to Egypt, as this Omicron variant was supposedly in Africa. So we basically left the country the next day after I filmed this. It was a shame that I couldn't explore Cairo more, because there was lots of places I wanted to go to, and visit around the city, and hopefully at some point I will get to go to Cairo again. And when I got back to the UK, I actually tested positive for COVID-19, and I had to isolate in this bedroom for how long? 10 days. So that was really annoying, but I've actually got a map now. I know, how cool does that look? This company sent to me, they didn't tell me to say it, but it actually looks really cool. It's wooden. I've also got the Egyptian thing in the background. I thought that was quite cool as well. If you watched the last vlog, you would have seen that. So what is happening now? So basically, I am going traveling on the 3rd of February. I'm going to Thailand. We're going to be staying in Phuket Island for 7 days, and we're going to be exploring the whole of Thailand for maybe 2 months and going on basically a big trip. I'm going to have more videos explaining this. I'm going to do a packing video. I'm going to do a video on how to travel cheap. So I've got lots more videos coming to you, but I'm so excited for Thailand. I'm going back to Southeast Asia where I absolutely love it. So I'm excited to share this with you. So I will see you in the next video. See you later.